$19.99. $19.99. Dump wagon. JBM dump wagon. Give $1,500. Yeah, $1,500, $15,500. $500, who wants in here? $500, somebody ought to three.
Yep.
3, 4, $300, 4, 5, $500, 4, 5, 6, $600, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 800, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, $1100, 12, 12, $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, $1,500, $14, $15, $1,600, $1,700, $17, $16,
Pretty nice piece, Dave. Not beat up.
17, 16, half, 16, half, 16, half, $1,600 a half. 16 bid a half, $1,600 a half. 16 bid, 16, 15, 16 and a half. Get $1,600 a half, 16 down here, 16 bid now a half. Sold it $1,600.
Yep. 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 14 and a half, Davey.
14 half, 14 and a half, 14 half, 14 and a half, 14 and a half. So 1,400, 317. 1,400, 317. Another bale wagon here.
Pretty nice Gale running gear under it.
1922. 1922. Yeah, good heavy. Look at that big heavy gear underneath that one. And we're going to give 25. $2,000, 2, 15 and a half, 16. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 2 grand, 2, 19 bid 2. 19 bid 2, 19 half, 19, 19, 50, 19, 19 half, $1,900, 19 half, 1900, 19 and a half, $1,900 a half, 19 and a half, all through done, satisfied, 19, 19 and a half, $1,900, 19 and a half. Sold it $1,900, 436, 436. 1811,
3-point spreader.
3-point spreader there. Look at that good one there. And yeah, looks pretty good inside there. Now we'll work it out. Ready to go. We're going to give them one there and get 300. $300, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 100, $100 50, 50, 25, $25, anybody? $25, 25, everybody looking right down, $25, $25, make it $25.
Over there.
25, make it 50, 25, make it 50, 25, on the card. So you're out to 50, 25, make it 50, make it 50, 25, make it 50, get 35,
I got nothing else to do.
Hold on at 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 25, 35. So 25, 3, 4, 1,
6.
3, 4, 6, 346, 346. Hey, look at there, put them on there, look at there, and the consigner is back in there. 1966. Hey, look at there, put them on there, buy a bale spear. Hey, look at there, put them on there, and give $100. $100, one, put them on 50. 50 on a bale spear. 50, $50, 50, 25. 25 on the bale spear. 25 on the 25, 25, down 10. Jump little one, 10, anybody, 10, 10, 5. 5 on the little down, 5, 10, 10, 10, bale spear, 5 and 10. 5, 10, usually make whatever you want out of it there. You get the quick hits in the back, 5, 10. 5 and 10, 5 and 10, so 5. 331, $5, 331.
1936.
1936, thank you. Got a 3-point discard. On a 3-point discard, everybody there, give it a one there, give it a 300. 300, 3, good blades ready to use. $300, 3, 2, 1. 1, $100, 1, quarter, $100, 1 and a quarter, quarter bit half, 75, down 2, $200, 2 and a quarter, quarter and a half, 2 and a half, 75, about 3, $300, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter half, 3 and a quarter to the half, 3 and a quarter to the half, 3 and a quarter half, 3 and a half, 350, 3, 25, 51, keep home use, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter to the half, 3 and a quarter to the half, 3 and a quarter to the 3 and a quarter to the 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter to the half. Sold 3 1/4, 169. 3 1/4, 169. Get a wagon for me. In 1935, 3-point plow. On a 3-point plow there with Montero. John Deere. Yeah.
Tell them when we get to this break here, we might wait a little bit to let them pull.
We're going down to this end where the break is at. When we stop that break, we'll probably wait a little bit and catch up. So we're going to go.
We got some equipment. We only have so many farm equipment.
Yeah. Hey, we there, with them there, bind there, we there, bind there, 3-point plow. Hey, we there, give them there, give them there, 3 bottom and 300. $300, they get 3, they get 2, they get 2, give $100. $100, they get 1, $100, they get 1, $50, anybody want to plow? $50. $50, they get $50, $50, 25. 25 on the plow, $25, they get 25, they get 25, 35. 25, they get 35, 35, 35, 25, they get 35. 25, 35, 35, 35, 45, 45, 35, 45. 35 here now, 45. 35, 40. 35, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. We're the Aaron guy, we're taking more than that. 35, 40, 40, 40, 40, 35 here now, 40. 35, 40, 40, 35, 40, 40, 35, 40. So $35, 35. Buyer is 625. $35 to buyer 625. 625. 1967. 3-point spreader. Got the shafts inside here for it. Don't look like you use very little. Hey, we're going to give it a month there. 300. 200. 1967 on that. 100. $100, 100 a quarter. $100, 1 and a quarter. Quarter, $100, 1 and a quarter. Half, 75. 175, $200, 2 and a quarter, $200 and a quarter, $2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter, shafts inside, $200 and a quarter, $210, 210, 20, 220 and 30, 230, 230, 230, 240, 240, 240, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250, 260, 270, 270, 260, 270, 260, 270, 260, 70, 270, 260, 270, 270, 260, 270. So 260 to buyer 169. 169. 1965. 1965 and right there, 3-point blade.
Thanks, Sam.
Hey, we want to 3-point blade here. Get 200. $100 a little blade. $100 a little guy. $100 get 50. $50 get somebody bid 50. $50 now 50. $50 anybody? $50, 25. 25, I get 25. Got a little compact, nice little blade, 25. 25, 35. That's 25, we get 35, 35, 35, 25, 35, 35, 35. $35, 25, 35, little blade there, 25, we get 35. $35, 35, $35, 35, 55, 35. Somebody else, 35, 25, 35, 35, 45. At 45, 55, 55, 45, 55, 45, 55. At 45, gonna get 55, all near done here, 45, 55, 55, 55. So 45.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.